Well, let's get you this breaking update of what has now been said of death of a model under mysterious circumstances has been reported from Madhya Pradesh's Bhopal. What is being said as far as the accused in the case identified as Qasim Ahmed is said to be booked for murder. And on the model's body, the family has been claiming that there were certain injury marks on the body. And as far as the post-mortem report is concerned of this model who has been identified as Khushbu, that is awaited. A lot of outrage that has also been sparked in Bhopal after this death of the model that is now concerned. And under mysterious circumstances, that is what being said, as the family has been alleging that the individual who is Qasim Ahmed apparently is behind her murder. However, what is now being said that he's been taken into custody and he's been booked for murder.
उसने कासिम ने खुशी के मोबाइल से फोन लगाया था, बोल रहा था आप बड़ी दीदी बोल रही हो। हमने कहा हाँ, तो बोल रहा था कि मैं है ना इंदौर से आ रहा था तो खुशी की बॉडी अकड़ गई रास्ते में, तो मैंने है ना चेन्नई हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट कर दिया तो डॉक्टर ने मृत्यु घोषित कर दिया। तो मैंने कहा ऐसे कैसे कर दिया, रुको हम आते हैं। हम लोग आए, हमें नहीं है पता कहाँ है। हाँ वो तो पुलिस वाले नहीं, हमने बात नहीं की ना, हमारे पास नंबर है उसका। हमें न्याय चाहिए, बस हमारी लड़की का हमें न्याय चाहिए। रिलेशन में आया था तो उसने बोला था मैं हिंदू हूँ, जब उसको पता चला कि वो मुसलमान है तो वो छोड़ने को फिर रही थी। हाँ तो उसने उसको ऐसा कर दिया उसके साथ।
मेरी बेटी थी, मॉडलिंग करती थी भोपाल में, यहीं कमरा है, यहीं रहती थी, यहीं रहती थी। 3 तारीख को वापस आई थी। कासिम खान है, कौन है, उसने मुझसे बात करी, क्या लगा मम्मी मैं खुशी को ले जा रही हूँ मेरे घर घुमाने, आप चिंता नहीं करना। कासिम लोहा के लिए आप मुझे बात करी, मुझसे पूरे मूड में निशान है, पूरी खोपड़ी में निशान है, पूरे बॉडी पे निशान है। अगर इधर से इधर तक छोड़ के मुझे बताया जाए क्या हुआ, मुझे न्याय चाहिए।
Well, the family seems to be making serious allegations against this individual who is said to have been in an alleged relationship with the model. However, her post-mortem details are awaited. And what is now being said that he's been taken into custody and been charged with murder. But as far as this model is concerned, she's been identified, the deceased has been identified as Khushbu. And Qasim is said to be currently in custody, where the police seems to be saying that they are investigating the case from every possible angle. And this is the allegation and a grievous one that is now being made on part of the family. And they have been alleging that Khushbu's body was full of injury marks. And now they are claiming that they need justice in the case. However, as far as investigation on part of the post-mortem report is concerned, that is still awaited. But this death is reported under suspicious and under mysterious circumstances. Remains to be seen what could be the possible reason behind Khushbu's death. As far as the accused in the case is concerned, he's already been taken into custody and has been identified as Qasim Ahmed, and how he's been booked for murder. And the family has been making these allegations that Qasim could be behind the death of Khushbu. They have been now saying that this is a case of alleged murder. So accused Qasim is now being charged with murder as he continues to remain in police custody. The family claims that Qasim was the one who informed the family that Khushbu is no more. However, the police say that they are investigating the case from every angle, and family's allegation is a serious one that is now being raised as far as these claims are concerned. We'll move on to other news this afternoon.